Welcome guys to another video, and I'm Nair, and this video I am going to be doing a chug that I've been wanting to do, and maybe you guys have been waiting for it because I did a Purple Thunder review. Yes, I've had multiple. I said if I got my hands on another one I would do it, but I've had my hands on like at least like 6 or 7, maybe 8. And I haven't done it, but I'm like, okay, I got 2 again. And I actually kept this one to chug because, yeah, I gotta do it eventually instead of just drinking it to enjoy it. Alright, I've had multiple, so now we're gonna actually do the chug. This is sweating because it's been sitting for a while. Also, it's not super cool in my room like it usually is because it's 90 degrees. It's super hot, unbelievably hot. So yeah, I got my ring light on so you can see me. The light is good, even though it's like kind of hurting my eyes how bright it is. But if I like turn it down too low, then it's like it's not really doing. I'm gonna leave it at that. It's not too horrible. It's not too bad. That's not too horrible. It's still pretty bright. You can see me, and it's not terribly hurting my eyes. But yeah, let's go. Nice. So if you don't know what this series is, you've been missing out. I have plenty of videos. I have like 23, 4 videos on this series. This is chugging something, or chugging a drink, whatever I'm chugging, without burping. But I'm gonna stop trying to do it super quickly. That's how I get a stomach ache, and then like I lose because my stomach hurts, and then I burp. So I'm gonna chug it, but kind of more slow. Let's get into it though. So good. I do have another chug coming in the next few days. I don't know when I'm uploading this. Probably because I uploaded today a sketch when a menace goes to therapy. I think probably not tomorrow, and I'm filming this. I'll probably post this Wednesday. But I also have another chug that I'm gonna be doing, which you guys have probably been waiting for too. But yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm starting to get a stomach ache now. Even going slow, like it's filling my stomach up with pressure. It's just like dripping on my ankle and stuff. It's like dripping because it's sweating, bruh. Usually my room is really cool. My air conditioner is having a hard time keeping up with the 90-degree weather. It's so hot now, like it's actually a good summer. This is like we're actually having summer weather where I live. Like summer could be a hit or miss, or it could be like one part of the summer is pretty warm, and then the next is like literally not summer weather. Like right now, this is summer weather, 90 degrees, and with humidity, it's supposed to be like over 100. It's crazy. I'm pretty sure I rated this. Like, if you go back to my Purple Thunder review, I'm pretty sure I did put this on it. Yeah, I did. I know I did. I put this. It's an S tier. This is an S tier drink, honestly. Like, this needs to not be a Circle K exclusive. I don't know if it's maybe just in my state or what, but I don't think it is. It wouldn't make sense. It's slid on the design, but whatever. I'm starting to get... I feel like a burp coming. I've learned trying to drink, like, if you have a burp, I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna drink it down. That makes it worse. It's on the tip of my, like, right here. The burp is, like, right here. Yeah, right where it says this. Hunter. I think I just burped. I should have shut up and just kept drinking. I've only won in a total of maybe 4 of these, and there's like 20 of them. One day, maybe I'll win everyone, but I feel like if I win these, they're not going to be as entertaining. Like, you have to lose. But, yeah, that's so weird. Like, what I'm looking through the camera, which is you're going to see too. The light, you can see the ring light, but you can also see, like, it looks like an eyeball right here. My glasses, it looks like the shape of an eyeball, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I just burped, because I feel relieved. I guess I'm just gonna keep this. I kind of wanted to do that. I did not burp on purpose, but you win some, you lose some. I lose more than I win on this series, but I'm gonna try to bring back a series that I haven't done in a while, which is doing doing a song, like an EDM song or like a meme song or something I can do with only my mouth, no sound effects, no editing. That I'm gonna try to bring back that series. So if you want that series to come back, here it comes, because I'm gonna be making a return. I'm not gonna tell you the song I'm gonna return with, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on, share to at least one friend. I feel like I have to poop now. I don't know why a drink would make me have to poop, but doesn't matter. Oh, I just farted. Maybe it was just fart. Oh, that fart. It's gonna stink, bro. My farts are lethal. Anyway, like, subscribe, turn notifications on, share to at least one friend. Share, or I already said that. Comment down below. A drink you want me to do. I do have another chug lined up. I do have a review lined up. And I'm gonna bring back that series. See you guys in the next video. Peace.